we work with a lot of small business owners throughout the valley who want to make sure that, when they're away from their business, that they can sleep well at night. And that's so important, especially for small business owners who have put their life savings into, the inventory in their store or anything like that. We want to make sure that it's safe for them. So we have a version of our product that's more commercially oriented. It's even more security focused, and it has a lot of benefits for employee access and things like that. So we work with collectibles, card collectible shops. We work with a whole bunch of different kinds of businesses that want to make sure that when they close up for the night, that everything's safe for them.
And I would imagine, I shouldn't say it because I don't know. It just crept in my head as you're talking. All of that inventory inside is insured, but I would imagine it might even get a break on insurance for that extra added security.
Yeah, it's a benefit for their insurance. And also, if you think about, some of these storefronts, those panes of glass are expensive. And we've seen cases where they cost just as much as a rolling shutter. And so you could have a rolling shutter that's going to be protecting your store for decades. And then you have a piece of glass that if you aren't protecting it, not even somebody trying to break in, it could just be a vandal. We see that all the time where just somebody walks by and chucks a brick at your storefront. They don't even want anything inside your store. They just want to do you harm. And so having a rolling shutter protects that from that kind of situation too.